Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, Getting Started with Python in the Browser, an informative tutorial. Introduction. Python is a versatile programming language that is widely used for various applications, from web development to data analysis. With the advancement of technology, it's now possible to write and run Python code directly in your web browser using tools like Jupyter Notebooks, Google Colab, and online code editors. This tutorial will guide you through the process of writing and executing Python code in your browser, providing code examples along the way. Table of Contents. Introduction to Online Python Editors. Setting up your environment. Writing your first Python code. Utilizing libraries and packages. Interactive data visualization. Data analysis and manipulation. Machine learning in the browser. Collaborative coding and sharing. Troubleshooting and tips. Conclusion. Example code. Note, the example code above showcases simple variable creation and arithmetic operations. Users can follow along in their preferred online Python editor. Remember, this tutorial provides a foundation for writing Python code in the browser, and there is a vast world of possibilities beyond the basics. Experiment, explore, and enjoy the journey of coding in the convenience of your web browser. ChatGPT.